How are you all? Fine? Very good class. So class, now a new day and today we are going to begin our day with maths class, isn't it? So today is Tuesday. What is the day today? Tuesday, and the date is 3rd November 2020. So day by day we are coming very close to Diwali festival. You all are feeling very excited for it? Very good. So yes, Diwali is also coming, but keep on, the classes should keep on going like that, isn't it? Very good. So class, today in the maths period, we are going to do the revision of subtraction. So in the previous class, we have done addition. Is that clear to everyone? आप सबको clear हो गया है? In case you have any doubts, please ask me and let me know the problems you are facing, so that in these type of revision videos, I can clear all your doubts. Clear? So any of the topic, if you are facing any problem related to any topic, please ask me. With this, there are two benefits. आपका doubt clear होगा. With that, all your friends, all your class fellows will also be able to clear off their all doubts. Clear? So please don't feel hesitated. Ask me whenever you want to talk me. Clear? कोई भी topic है जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, feel free to talk me and ask me. Now, moving towards today's revision of the topic subtraction. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction का क्या meaning होता है? What is this sign called? क्या कहते हैं इस sign को? We call it minus. What we call this sign? Minus. Yes. Minus का meaning क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of minus? कम करना, उस चीज को कम कर देना. Now, for example, we have 1, 2, 3. How many flowers I have? 3 flowers. So what I'll do is, I give you a question that I have 3 flowers and I want to minus 2 flowers. So after minusing 2 flowers, what will I get? 3 flowers in total हैं, उसमें से 2 minus हो गए. Minus मतलब I have given to my friend. कहीं थ्रो नहीं कर रहा है, but I have shared it with my friend. I have given to one of my friend. Now 3 में से 2 मैंने अपने friend को दे दिए. Now the thing is, how many are left? अब कितने बचे हमारे पास? Clear? So very simple way, as I have told you, with your fingers. Use your fingers while you are doing any addition or subtraction work. So now when I have 3, so first how we are going to do this? Anyone remember the way I taught you? First we are going to open the number of fingers that is in total given to us. जो पहला digit है, the first digit given to you, you are going to open that many fingers. Now the first digit given to us here is 3. So what you will do? You will open 3 fingers. Clear? So let us do that. 1, 2, 3. So we have taken 3 fingers here. Clear everyone? Now after taking these 3 fingers, what is the next we are going to do? 3 में से minus. So whenever you are reading a question, always read the sign also. अब इस question को हम कैसे read करेंगे? 3 minus 2. So जब भी हम ये साइन लिखते हैं, साइन को भी रीड करना है. That is why every sign has a name. हर साइन का नेम होता है. जो ये वाला साइन था, एडिशन साइन, उसको हम कहते थे प्लस. सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन को हम बोल रहे हैं माइनस. So the question says 3 minus 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. अब माइनस का मतलब कम करना. कितना कम करना है? 2. So we are going to count 1, 2. अब हमने जब 2 को माइनस करा तो क्या किया? We have closed the fingers again. अब कितनी फिंगर ओपन बची हमारे पास? We have only 1 finger open. So this is our answer. Understood? Our answer is 1. Now you remember how we did this topic, how we did this concept? You remember that? So the subtraction means to minus, to deduct. Clear? Now what are we going to do today? you two digit subtraction. As we did two digits addition, so we are going to do two digits subtraction also. Clear? अब कैसे करेंगे? You remember how we did two digit addition? जब हमने अपना sum लिखा, when we were writing our question, how we wrote? First we have written tens and ones. You remember that? हमने सबसे पहले कैसे लिखा था? Tens and ones. और tens और ones के नीचे ही हमने अपने digits को लिखा था. You remember that ना? Fine. So number we have is 57 minus 25. So the number given to us is 57 minus 25. So when you are reading these numbers, मैंने बोला है ना 57 57 नहीं, direct 57 minus 25. This is how you will read your sum. Understood? Now, as we did in addition, मैम ने आपको बताया था कि first we are going to solve ones number. जो numbers हमें ones की place पे दिए हैं, we are going to solve that. Addition is done in standing lines as well as subtraction. जो भी हम addition subtraction करेंगे वो standing line way में करेंगे. Don't subtract these two numbers. No. Ones का जो digit है वो ones के digit से ही add भी होगा और subtraction sums में ones digit will subtract from ones digit only. तो यानी कि standing line form में हम numbers को add और subtract करेंगे, plus और minus करेंगे. Clear? So moving to this number, now we have 7 minus 5. पहले हम सिर्फ ये ones वाला portion solve करेंगे. See, पहले हम सिर्फ ये ones वाला portion solve करेंगे. After solving this, we are going to move towards the tens portion. Clear? So we have 7 minus 5. Again, how you are going to do? With the finger method. So all of you open your 7 fingers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have taken 7 fingers now. Now, how many to be minus? 5 fingers. तो अब हम इसको रिवर्स में माइनस करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हमने 5 फिंगर्स माइनस करी. माइनस कैसे करी? हमने उन्हें क्लोज कर दिया. ठीक है? Now how many fingers are left? Let us count. 1, 2. Understood? अब कितनी fingers बची? 2 fingers बचे. So what we are going to write here? I am going to write 2. Yes. So like this, I have written 2 here. Understood all? Now moving towards the digits at tens place. अब जो t के नीचे, tens के नीचे जो digits लिखे हैं, now we are going to solve them. What it says? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Look carefully. Here it was having 7 minus 5 that we have solved. Standing line में किया. Similarly, now it has 5 minus 2. So how are we going to do that? First, we are going to open 5 fingers. So how many fingers to be opened? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have opened 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, how many I have to minus now? 2. So minus कैसे करेंगे? We will close the fingers. 1, 2. So 2 fingers closed. Now let us count कि अब open कितनी है? 1, 2, 3. Understood? So what to be written here? I am going to write 3 here. So 57 minus 25. Answer will be 32. Clear? What will be the answer? 32. This is how we are going to do 2 digits subtraction today. Understood? Let's take one more question now. Again, don't forget to write tens and ones. Tens and ones लिखेंगे तभी we are going to we will be aware कि हमें किसको minus करना है. And when you are writing these sums in your notebook, always write one digit in one box. One digit one box में लिखोगे दैट विल बी अ पिक्चर क्लियर क्वेश्चन. आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर होगा which digits to be minus and which one to be plus. Clear? So now taking one more question I have is 88 fine minus 46. Okay, let's do it now. So we have 88 minus 46. So how are we going to do that? First tell me. As I have explained you here. Now tell me, अब कैसे करेंगे इसको? कौन कौन से digits को हम पहले minus करेंगे? Which are the two digits to be taken first? 8 and 6. Yes. First we are going to solve these two. 8 and 6. तो अब हम 8 में से 6 को minus करना है. We are going to minus 6 out of 8. 8 में से minus करना है. अच्छा, one thing more keep in your mind. हमेशा जो big number होता है वो ऊपर लिखना है हमें. In your subtraction जो big वाला number है वो हमेशा ऊपर वाली लाइन में आता है, small वाला नीचे आता है. Clear? So now we have 8 minus 6. So let us first count 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are our 8 fingers we have. Now out of these 8 fingers we are going to minus 6 fingers. So how we are going to do that? We are going to count and close 6 fingers. Now start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब हमने 6 fingers को close करा तो कितने fingers open रह गए अब? 1, 2. So 2 fingers are left. What we are going to do? We are going to write 2 here. So like this, I'll write 2. Done. Next we have 8 minus 4. अब क्या digits हैं? We have 8 and 4. तो 8 में से हमें 4 को minus करना है. How we are going to do? Again, all of you count your 8 fingers now. Count with me. मैम और आप दोनों साथ में count करते हैं. Let's count 8 fingers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 fingers we have. Now how many we have to minus? 4. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So ये 4 fingers हमने close करी. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left with us. So what I'm going to write here? Which number we'll write? We will write 4. Now 88 minus 46 is equal to 42. समझ में आ गया? Have you all understood how to do this? Sure? Okay. So this is how. One more question I would like to do here. So let's see how to do that. Okay, we have 29 minus 0, 5. So the numbers given to us is 29 minus 0, 5. 29 minus 0, 5. Clear? So now you tell me how you are going to solve it. First, which two digits we are going to minus? 9 minus 5. Clear? 9 में से 5 को minus करना है. How we will do that? First, we are going to open 9 fingers. Let us do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 fingers we have. Now how many we have to minus? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers हमने minus करी. Now count how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are left with 4. So what we are going to do? I'll write 4 here. Done. Now we have 2 minus मीन्स नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं। सो अब हमें क्या करना है, 2 में से कुछ भी माइनस नहीं करना, बिकॉज 0 इज नथिंग। सो 2 माइनस 0, सो 1 and 2, 2 वी हैव। अब 2 में से कुछ भी माइनस नहीं करना, सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 2 ओनली। अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट आई डू, आई विल राइट 2 हियर। दैट मीन्स 29 minus 5 is equal to 24. Clear everyone? Great. So now let us see how we are going to do work in notebook. That will, let's do few more sums in the notebook now. Okay? So work to be done in notebook. So let's see how we are going to do few more questions in notebook. Okay, beta? So class, now let's see how we are going to practice our subtraction sums in notebook today. Okay? For this, first let us see, first you have to make a notebook like this as you have done in addition. So make a notebook, take few sums from your parents. बट वन थिंग दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज कि आप जब भी सब्ट्रैक्शन के सम्स ले रहे हैं, द ग्रेटर नंबर, द बिगर नंबर शुड बी written first and the next should be smaller number. Clear all? Okay, let's start with the work. So the first thing we are going to do is write date, that is 3rd November 2020. 3rd November 2020, and this is your classwork, so write CW. Now subtraction, that is minus. So what we are going to do, 44 minus 24. So first we are going to solve these ones digit, that means 4 minus 4. So let's open 4 finger, 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 fingers. Now how many we have to minus 4? 1 2 3 4. हमने 4 ओपन किया बट हमने 4 माइनस किया, so we are left with nothing. So what we are going to write, nothing means 0. Now next we have 4 minus 2. So again we are going to open 4 fingers, 1 2 3 4. 4 fingers we have. Now how many we have to minus 2? मतलब we are going to close 2 fingers, that is 1 2. So how many are left with us now? Count these 2. So the answer is 2 fingers. That is 2 here. Clear? Now moving to the next one, we have 5 minus 3. So how are we going to do that? 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 fingers now, and how many we have to minus? 3. So that is 1 2 3. So what is left with us? 2. So we will write 2 here. Now this is 2 minus 0. So 2 1 2 2 minus 0, मतलब हमें कुछ भी माइनस नहीं करना, 0 means nothing. So what we are going to write here? 2 only? Yes. So we will write 2. Understood? Next we have is 2 minus 2. So 1 2. 2 में से कितना माइनस करना है? 2. 1 2. तो जब सब कुछ माइनस हो गया, what are we left with? Nothing. That means 0. So we'll write 0. Then we have 3 minus 2. 1 2 3. 3 minus 1 2. So how many we left with? 1. So we are going to write 1 here. Understood how you are going to do this subtraction work in your notebook? Next we have is 4 minus 1. So we have 1 2 3 4. 4 minus 1. तो अब कितना बचा? 1 2 3. So we are left with 3. So we are going to write 3. Clear? Next we have is 5 minus 3. 5 में से कितना माइनस करेंगे? We are going to minus 3. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 में से how much we are going to minus? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are left with 2. So this is what we are going to write here. 2. Understood? Now next we have is 4 minus 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we left with? 0. Yes. Then we have 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 3. What is left? Only 1. Now the last one we have 1 minus 0. जब 1 टॉफी है और हमने नहीं खाई तो कितना बचा? We have 1. Now we have 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 0. Clear everyone? How you are going to do your today's work in notebook? So now complete your work, okay? So class, I hope you have understood the topic of two-digit subtraction that we did today. You all are familiar with subtraction. What is subtraction? When we minus the two given numbers from each other. Isn't it? So that is subtraction. Now two-digit subtraction में हमने क्या किया? हमने ones के digits को ones से subtract किया और tens के digits को tens से subtract. Clear? This is how you are going to practice your work in your notebook today. Okay? Bye for now. Keep practicing all your methods like addition, subtraction, put the sign and whatever we have done till now. Bye.